we will see together how to check even or odd number. So we can receive any number from user or ask user to enter any number from keywords. Then we can check whether it is even or odd by using C++ program control statements. So even number is the number which is divided by 2 and the remainder is equal to 0. Odd number is the number which is divided by 2 and remainder may be 1, 3 or whatever, or maybe 2. So let me see together. We need to include header our stream, then using namespace 3, then the main. So our main method will be start here. We need to declare one variable, which is, you can say, name. So we need to assign value for this variable. Why? Because we can receive from keywords. So we need to write some message for user or ask user to enter any number. Please, any number from keywords. So this will be tell or ask user to enter any number from keywords. Let we ask on new line. We can use this /ns or we can use index, no matter. So here this line will be read the value of name from keywords name. So here we can check whether it is even or odd if a enter number from keywords, that is name, is module by 2 and the remainder is equal to 0, then the number is equal to, simply we can say cout the number is, we can say, even. Okay, so here we can end. Also, if it is not even, this should be odd. There is no another option. So cout the number is odd. So here we need to add turn 0, telling compile the end of the program. So let we compile this statement, check whether there is error as well as transfer it to machine language. So here we need to add semicolon of end. Okay. So there is no error. But there is error here, the error 0, warning 0. So now we can run and we can enter the number and check whether it is even or odd. So please enter any number. Let's enter 5. 5 is odd. Why? Because the value of name is equal to 5. 5 module 2 is equal to 1. When we divide 5 by 2, it is 2 and the remainder is equal to 1. So this will be odd number. So let me check another number. Let me check another number. I compile again. So let me run again. Let's enter 6. 60 divided by 2 is equal to 0. When we divide 60 by 2, the equation 2 will be 3 and the remainder is equal to 0. So the number is even. Also, rather than say the number, we can also display in the number from keywords. How? Simply we can add here the value of name. Also here we can add name. Okay. Now rather than S3, any number user enter will be print So here, now if I write 10 or 99, it say 99 is even, or 99 number is even. So 99 number is even. So we can 99 simply we can make this one here. Also we can make this one here. Okay. So this is how we can check whether the number is odd or even by using C++ program. So if there is any question, just write me comment and I will come back with another example. So thank you for listening to me. Please subscribe, comment. So please enter 55. So 55 is odd. Why? Because if we divide 55 by 2, enter number 30. It is even. 30 is even. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Have a nice time.